In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to vanish in Dragon Ball Nexus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In Dragon Ball Nexus, you can perform vanishes by pressing two specific buttons at once and then spamming them. So what you have to do in Dragon Ball Nexus is to hold W, so hold down W on your keyboard and then press E as fast as possible. So the two keys that you have to use on your keyboard are going to be W press plus E. Sadly, I'm not sure about how to do this technique on mobile, but on PC, you will hold W and then smash E as fast as you can. This will perform a flurry of attacks on your opponent before they can even react, so you will attack from all sides. You will see the effects here as you attack, and all that you have to do is press W plus E on your keyboard. So hold W while you spam E, and you smash it as much as you can. Once you press these two keys with E in quick succession over and over again, you will perform the vanish and the punches, and you will attack your opponent before they can even react. So you can chain this into different combos, which sadly I'm not going to cover in this video, but to actually perform the vanish itself, it's as simple as holding down W and pressing E as fast as you can. This is going to overwhelm the opponent, they won't be able to keep up, and you will perform the flurry of attacks that you see here alongside these visual effects of you dashing all over the place. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you on how to vanish in Dragon Ball Nexus, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.